Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Kral Kai Bedar Se. Filled with intense emotions and unexpected twists, this story invites viewer to question how a hunter can become the hunted in a journey where love turns into betrayal and power into weakness. Discovering what the king stands to lose is only the beginning. Number 9. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jehangir Jehan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school, hallways, and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminal underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the question, is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? These shared ideals bring them together in a fight for love and justice against the mafia network that cast a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 8. Kushatma, the one who changes the game wins. On one side, there is Usman, who came from nothing and became very wealthy and successful through bold and decisive moves. On the other hand, is Nihal, the representative of a family with generational wealth and master of diplomacy. This is the story of the battle between old money and new money, the clash of power and intellect, and the falling in love of two strong characters. Number 7. Ashraf Ruya. Chagay Ulusoy portrays Ashraf, a fearless man who has power, wealth, and everything, yet finds himself captive to a love he cannot name. Meanwhile, Dimit Ozdemir will play Nisan, a young musician who makes Ashraf's heart beat again for the first time since Ruya. Their story will touch viewers' heart, bringing back a long awaited love story to the screen. Orphaned at a young age, Ashraf was pushed into a world of crime by loneliness. Over the years, he became a dominant figure in his world. For him, orphans are the siblings he has replaced his lost family with. But this family exists in the heart of the criminal underworld, while Ashraf shoulders the heavy responsibility of leading underground organizations. His search for peace never ends. Then, unexpectedly, Nissan enters his life, sweeping him into an unpredictable whirlwind. Number 6. Piazza. Knows Entertainment has teamed up with Pastel Film to distribute their eagerly awaited new series, Invincible Tiles, Turkish title Piazza. Set to air on Canal D, the series boasts a gripping story and features an impressive cast, including Alap Navroz, Ilaida Ali Shan, Zohal Olcay, and Gulben Argan. Number 5. Ashki Hatilla. On the verge of marriage, renowned architect Dinesh and popular editor Gunesh experience a breakup. However, their lives takes a transformative turn when on the same evening they cross paths by chance. A message on their phone sets them on a journey that will change everything. This new adventure leads them to uncover the missing pieces in their relationship and rediscover love. Number 4. The Landler. Hijran and Arif, a devoted couple married for 50 years, have dedicated their lives to raising their five children despite countless sacrifices and hardships. While Hijran's boundless love and Arif's unwavering principles held the family together, their children's selfish choices and betrayal led them to heartbreak and chaos. A long awaited reunion when their estranged son Onu takes a devastating turn, leaving the family shattered by loss and adversity. Arav suffers a heart attack. The family rushes to take Arav to the hospital, ends tragically in a car accident where Onur and his wife lose their lives and Arif falls into coma. Rejected by their in-laws, Hijran is abandoned in a nursing home while Chinar and their children are left to fend for themselves. Hijran, her youngest son Chinar, and her grandchildren must navigate a harsh new reality as poverty and family conflicts intensify. Hijran and Arif's resilience and unconditional love become the foundation for their struggle to reunite their fractured family in the face of betrayal and hardship. They strive to prove that no challenge is too great when it comes to the bonds of family. Number 3. Bashka Birgun, a Turkish remake of British series Keeping Faith. The series tells the story of Nihir, a lawyer who takes a break from her career to care for her children. Her seemingly happy marriage with her husband Sardar takes an unexpected turn when Sardar suddenly disappears. Number 2. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 1. Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired commander and history writer living on Bucada when his eldest son Jawad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all happily lived together in the family villa where the Bohemian Jawad was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jawad's wife and lifestyle. But Jawad's wife became infatuated with the older man, and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. In the decades to follow, Jawad Shakir became the fisherman of Halicarnassus, one of Turkey's most beloved writers. Meanwhile, his glamorous sisters developed into thoroughly modern women and fixtures of Istanbul's art scene. Fahrunisa became an internationally renowned painter and went on to marry a prince, and Ali was wildly famous as Turkey's first female engraver. But a tragic love affair brought them a life of misery. Later generations brought many more important artists whose work is known throughout the world. If you like our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. If you like our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.